Hey YouTubers, this is John. Just kind of give you a quick update what's going on with my tower. I think we're pretty much there, finally. I got my cable there. We're still working on the winch part, so we're doing it old fashioned. We're using tractor. Got the tower, or the pole there. Got my little trolley wheel up there. The cable runs across that. By the way, there's my wires. The wires coming out of the tube that goes underneath the ground and goes into my little power shed there. Got my ground wire over there. Ground rod, ground wire. Anyway, we used the flex tubing, went ahead and went all the way up the tower, followed the ladder. Seems like it ought to work out pretty good. As you can tell, the wind's blowing today, so I can't raise it a little too hard. Thanks to Kenny and several others, this is what we came up with. A little bit of backyard engineering too, but we came up with a 3-point attachment to the front of the tower. It's 1/4 inch metal, steel, bolted, welded, 3 different places. Went ahead and put another piece of 1/4 inch steel up here, put a turnbuckle on it, put a little safety chain on there, again backyard engineering. Got my cable onto that, so hopefully everything works out pretty good on that deal. And then we wanted to get it off the sawhorses, so found an old clothesline pole laying in the alley in town. So I put a sleeve in the ground, cemented that in, and then the pole just drops down into it, and it's pretty solid. So whenever I have the turbine in the air, I can take this pole out, lean it up against the building, whatever, and it's not there. Alright, so I got my little Oregon Scientific Animeter. It's all hooked up. Got my little solar panel going for it. Obviously I can't tell what the wind speed is right now because it's down here instead of up in the air. The wind's blowing too hard today, I do tell you that. And this is what I went with. I got the Missouri Wind dual PMA 11 blade. There's the tail section there. Painted it metallic blue. I'm kind of partial to metallic blue. So anyway, the wires run. I've got them sticking up in the air right now. I don't have it hooked up, and the wind's blowing too hard, and I don't want to short anything out. So I went ahead and left it unhooked until we're ready to raise the tower. But I went ahead and went with the 2 locking collars. That was a suggestion by Mike, Missouri Wind. He said that'll work out good. Wires coming up and out, goes all the way down the end of the tower and into the building. And the little ammeter. I think it ought to work pretty good. We'll see. We will see. Alright. We'll walk you into my power shed. Sorry for the shaking. Anyway, really the only thing I have left to do, and I can't really do it until I get the tower back up in the air, is I've got my pieces laid out for my plate that'll hold the tower down. I had it set up for one way and I had it all welded on. I didn't like it, so I took the grinder to it and ground them off. Anyway, I'll show you the finished product eventually. Alright, so this is what we got. I got my Trojan battery set up there. Of course, we're running 24 volt. One of the inverters I got. Then we've got the Missouri Wind charge controller. Everything's set up there. I've got the 2 diodes. I'm sorry, 2 rectifiers, not diodes. Got those all crossed, and according to Missouri Wind, that's the way you're supposed to do it. One of Jeff's schematics. Battery bank and everything's all hooked up, so all we got to do is just go for it. But I can't really do it right now because the wind's averaging about 20 miles an hour, and that's a little too hard to be trying to raise a 47-foot tower. Wind's supposed to die down tonight, so we'll give the tower raising, and hopefully I can get you a video on that. Oh, by the way, the wires, they go in through the cement, they come out right there, and they go up and over. Again, I use flex conduit, and that's where it goes in, right there. Alright? Yep, this is John. I'll post another video later. Might tie it into this one, I don't know. We'll see.